Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact microphone and headphone pair you want Discord to use, then lock them in. Go to Voice and Video and select your devices so Discord stops auto-switching. This prevents loud drops and channel hopping. Once done, open your OS sound control and turn off exclusive mode so apps cannot hog the mic or speakers. Doing this first reduces interference and gives the rest of the fixes a reliable baseline to work from. Next, fine-tune Discord's internal audio controls because they directly shape clarity. You should pick push-to-talk for noisy environments or voice activity with manual sensitivity if you want seamless talk. Set the threshold so your voice triggers reliably. Turn off built-in noise suppression or experimentation. Sometimes it clips consonants. Try alternative drivers or AI denoisers if available. Also, lower automatic gain control. Finally, you address network and final testing because audio problems often come from packet loss or low bitrate. Prefer wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to keep latency and jitter low. Then enable Co-S on your router and in Discord so voice packets get priority. Set the voice channel bitrate high enough for music or high fidelity. Test in a private call and listen for artifacts. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip: record a local sample to separate mic/hardware faults from network or server problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.